Ngayon, yung pagmamarka, I agree. Nasa proseso lang naman. Kasi again, identification purposes lang po ito. So, wala naman pong mali sa sinabi ni Representative Luistro.
Kaya
Na,
i-deviate niyo pagdating ng trial property.
sorry po?
Kaya i-deviate niyo yung pagkasura sa trial property.
Again, that is part of our affirmative defenses. So, pag-uusapan po yan definitely. Pag-uusapan po yan.
Sir, regarding yung issue po na ni-raise niyo sa pre-trial brief po ninyo na huwag nga po isama yung mga evidence na nakuha lang doon sa Committee on Justice hearing
Opo.
kapag hindi po attached doon sa Sabaya and Cabrera complaint. Sabi po nila doon ng mga prosecutors, wala naman pong constitutional or any legal basis itong inyong mga
Apo.
request.
Number one, I am not here to discuss the merits of the case. As you know, under Rule 18 of the Rules on Impeachment sa Senado, hindi po tayo pwede mag-discuss ng merits because it's considered sub judice. Pangalawa, kung ano man po ang isasagot namin dyan sa comment na yan, with all due respect again, because nire-respeto ko po talaga ang ating opposing counsels at ang ating mga public prosecutors, sasagutin po namin sa tamang panahon at sa tamang forum.
Pero ma-address pa yun doon sa order that the impeachment court will come out with at the end of the month?
I think, ma'am, that is something that is best directed to the Senate as an impeachment court, not sa amin, because we don't know what they will address in their pre-trial order.
Sir, we receive clarification po kasi I understand, sir, 30 trial dates po yung request.
At least 30 trial dates po. Aba.
And 97 witnesses po yung nakalista for the defense. Sir, kasi kanina po parang hindi po yung legal spokesperson, parang why did you request for 30 trial dates when you have 97?
Sir, I'll cut you there. We do not discuss matters on legal strategy. Secondly, it's at least 30 trial dates. Third, the burden of proof never shifts, and it will all start with the prosecution. So we will have to wait, and we will only respond to whatever evidence they present.
Sir, kasi po on the timeline, sabi po kasi ni Congresswoman Luistro kanina, sa tingin na daw po hindi kakayanin ng 3 buwan yung trial.
Sa tingin ko rin, actually. Sa tingin ko rin. So I think we agree with that. But again, wag nating sabihin na with certainty yung mga bagay na yan dahil hindi talaga natin alam. Siyempre, it will depend on the number of witnesses they will be presenting. It will depend on yung pace. Hindi naman natin matatime kung gaano katagal ang direct examination, gaano katagal ang cross-examination. So it will really depend. But with the assessment of Representative Luistro, sa tingin ko, 3 months is a bit tight. But so we agree on that point. Tingnan lang po namin. I think both sides naman po, talagang we're trying to speed things up. We're trying to expedite everything. Wala namang gustong tumagal ito. But again, hindi rin pwedeng madaliin. Siyempre, it's all part of due process.